How's it going, everyone? Landon here with LMR.com, and in this video I'm going to be taking a look at the Series 2 wheel from the guys over at SVE. This is their 20-inch offering, and it is designed to fit the 2005 to current Mustangs. SVE Series 2 wheel features an aggressive split 5-spoke design that incorporates a classic staggered look that is sure to dial in the exterior of your S197 or S550. The Series 2 wheel is currently available in 3 killer finishes that are going to include a gloss black, a gunmetal, and a very good looking satin bronze. Now, if we look a little bit closer at the lip of each wheel, you'll find that the gloss black and gunmetal wheel will incorporate a polished lip, whereas the satin bronze wheel is going to incorporate a very nice and very subtle matte finish lip. Each of these wheels also incorporate simulated chrome rivets, which will give the Series 2 a high-end look without the high-end price. Continuing with SVE's industry-leading attention to detail, you'll find that each wheel is going to include a brushed center cap with a gloss black SVE logo. Now, unlike other wheel offerings on the market that feature quote-unquote generic measurements, SVE takes the time to engineer each wheel with the correct offset and backspacing dimensions that will properly fill out the wheel wells on S197 and S550 Mustangs. The SVE Series 2 wheel is currently available in either a 20 by 8.5 and 20 by 10 inch offering. The 20 by 8.5 inch wheel will incorporate a 6-inch backspacing, positive 32mm offset, a 1-inch lip, and it's going to weigh in at approximately 29 pounds. Now, the 20 by 10 inch wheel will feature a backspacing of 7.15 inches, positive 42mm of offset, a 2¼ inch lip, and it's going to tip the scale at approximately 27 pounds. Now, as far as fitment goes for all the trims and all the models, this Series 2 wheel will fit all 2005 to current Mustangs except for the GT350 and GT350R. This Series 2 wheel is going to bolt directly to the factory hubs and our axles without the need for cumbersome hub-centric rings or special spacers. SVE's wheels do carry a limited lifetime structural warranty and a 2-year finish warranty that is going to give you a great peace of mind when considering an SVE wheel. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, be sure and check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SPT Light.